You start panicking when you hear the pilot say there is a turbulence. But don't. But what is turbulence anyway? Basically, airplanes move on wind flow. When the air is smooth, so is the plane. Sometimes there is a change in the direction of the air. The plane sways, drops or climbs. So, what causes this to happen? Interference in the air is caused by changes in the air temperature. Mountain or a tall structure like a building alters the airflow, or air rapidly changing direction is known as a wind shear. Even if turbulence is scary, modern airplanes are designed to withstand massive winds, air pockets, or even a lightning strike. Most importantly, pilots are prepared for turbulence. This way pilots can avoid turbulence or at least slow the plane down to withstand the turbulence. Smoothly travel by putting your seat belts. Don't forget to put your seat belts.